Olympus OMDE M10 Mark III. This mirrorless camera has a micro four third sensor little smaller than the APS-C sensors used by its rival, and 16 megapixels rather than the usual 24. But the smaller sensor means smaller and faster focusing lenses. This camera also has great build quality and finish. It is also known for its responsiveness, its excellent built-in art filters, and clever shooting options in its advanced photo mode. Fujifilm X-T100. This mirrorless camera can deliver some of the best results from an entry-level mirrorless camera. It can capture 4K video at 15 frames per second, and even though the focusing speed can be a little bit disappointing for some people, it is still a good mirrorless camera for beginners. Panasonic GX9. This mirrorless camera is well suited for travel photography. It also features built-in viewfinder plus 5-axis dual image stabilization. It also comes with 4K video and 4K photo mode, a 12 until 32mm lenses. Sony Alpha A6-100. This mirrorless camera comes with improved video features such as 4K recording video feature, a touch-sensitive screen, and advanced autofocus options, which include the very well-performing AF for both humans and animals. The good news, this mirrorless camera is still available until now in affordable deals. Canon EOS M50. This camera comes with an integrated viewfinder 4K video feature, just know that it is cropped, great autofocusing, and an easy-to-use interface. This is a good option to consider when you want to purchase an affordable camera for beginners. Panasonic Lumix GX800, GX850. This camera combines small camera size with powerful features and exceptional value. It comes with a viewfinder, 4K video, and Panasonic's 4K photo mode, a 180-degree selfie screen, touch control, and a terrific little 12 until 32mm retracting kit lens. It is definitely worth your consideration when you want to buy an affordable mirrorless camera.